Hello sir, I have problem with my motorbike is often thrown is left of wheel driving.
Let me check your motorbike first.
Okay, I will.
Your motorbike has engine damage and there are spare part that must be replaced.
What spare part need to be replaced?
Is the spare part, namely, is the spark plug.
Okay, please replace it.
Okay, I'll do it now. Please sit in the waiting room. I need 30 minutes to repair your motorbike.
A few moments later.
Hello sir, your motorbike is complete and ready to be riding again.
Thank you sir. How much shall I pay?
The payment receipt, you have to pay 50,000 rupiah.
Here is the money. Thank you sir.
You're welcome.